Imagine doubling your income from the comfort of your home. Sounds too good to be true? What if I told you that there are simple strategies that financial experts use every day and that you can apply them too? Today, we're going to uncover those tactics that could transform your personal finances. Get ready to discover how you can improve your investment skills, money management, and generate income in ways you may have never considered. Forget empty promises of quick riches. We're talking about proven methods that are within your reach. Stay tuned and discover how you can start changing your financial reality today. Have you heard stories of people who went from having just pennies to their name to managing six-figure investment portfolios, right? Well, behind those headlines are methods and principles that anyone with the right knowledge can apply. Let's dive into Alex's story, who, without a degree in finance and starting from a conventional job, applied a series of simple financial strategies and managed not only to pay off his debts, but also to create a steady stream of passive income. What did Alex do differently? It wasn't luck or hidden secrets, but following basic financial principles and maintaining discipline. This isn't just about making money. It's about creating a life with less stress and more freedom. And now, think about this. If Alex could do it without prior knowledge and starting from scratch, what's stopping you from following in his footsteps? Think for a moment about the world's great fortunes. Do you believe they all came from large inheritances or strokes of luck? The truth is that many were built with a simple strategy: invest smartly. And no, you don't need to be a tycoon to start. Here I'll show you how to do it with what you already have. Investing is not just for those who read the markets like financial oracles. It's for anyone who dares to think about the future. I'm going to tell you about a strategy that has stood the test of time. Index investing. Complicated? Not at all. Imagine owning a small part of the most successful companies with just one click. These funds replicate the performance of a market index, like the S&P 500, which has historically returned an average of about 7 to 10% per year, adjusted for inflation. But wait, it's not just buy and forget. I'm going to give you some practical advice to optimize this strategy. First, consistency. Invest regularly, whether it's a large or small amount. Thanks to compound interest, time will become your most valuable ally. Second, diversify. Although indexes are already a form of diversification, think about other sectors or asset classes. And third, keep calm. Markets go up and down, but patience often rewards those who don't panic. The best part? You don't need to be glued to the screen all day or pay exorbitant commissions to fund managers. This is a way to put your savings to work with a clear strategy without letting emotions take control. Are you ready to make your money work for you? Managing money is like conducting an orchestra. Every decision you make, from the big moves to the most minute details, affects the final symphony. Here I present how to be the master conductor of your finances with 3 money management tactics that could change your life. First, let's talk about the budget. But not just any budget, a smart budget that allows you not just to live but to thrive. The key is an allocation. Dedicate a percentage of your income to savings and investment before you even think about expenses. This pay yourself first method is non-negotiable. Imagine it's another bill you have to pay each month, the bill of your future. Second, reducing expenses doesn't mean sacrificing your lifestyle. It's about finding efficiency. We're going to conduct a thorough analysis of your monthly expenses. How much do you spend on subscriptions you don't even use? Are there more economical alternatives to your regular expenses without compromising quality? You'd be surprised how much you can save by simply paying attention and making smart adjustments. Finally, maximize your income. If you've been in your current position for a while and have added value to your company, it might be time to negotiate a raise. Prepare, present your case, and remember, the worst they can say is no. But if you don't ask, the answer will always be no. Plus, there are always side opportunities. From selling unwanted items to consulting or freelancing, your skills can turn into extra cash. Now, this isn't magic. It's about taking control, making conscious choices with your money. You're building a castle, and every dollar you save is another brick in your financial fortress. At the end of the day, remember this. Financial freedom is not a number in your bank account. It's the peace of mind knowing that your money is serving your goals, not the other way around. Next, we're going to reveal how even without investing, you can increase your earnings creatively.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
It's time to look into the exciting world of passive income and personal enterprise. This is where you can plant seeds to harvest financial gains while you sleep. Let's first talk about passive income. These are earnings that require little to no daily effort to maintain. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, there are several ways to make it a reality. One option is to write an ebook on a topic you master. Once it's online, each sale means direct money in your pocket with no additional costs. Another path could be creating an online course. Share your expertise and let the platform do the rest. But here's the key. Passivity does not mean effortless. It requires significant initial effort, and this is where personal enterprise comes into play. Perhaps you have a skill or passion that can translate into a service or product. Photography, graphic design, programming, teaching languages. The possibilities are endless. With online platforms, you can reach customers around the world. Don't forget the gig economy. With the gig economy, you can take on small projects that fit your skills and available time. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are stages where your talent can turn into real job offers. And do you know what's the best part of diversifying your income sources? Security. If one source dries up, you have others to fall back on. This isn't just smart, it's necessary in today's economic world. Remember, the money you generate passively or through your personal enterprise can be reinvested into your investment strategies, creating a virtuous cycle of financial growth. So, are you ready to put your skills to the test and see how they can lead you to financial freedom? As you build your financial empire, it's vital that you navigate the sea of information out there. Many popular beliefs about money are more myths than realities, and now we're going to debunk some of the most common ones. First myth: investing is only for the rich. This is not only false but dangerous. Waiting to be rich before you start investing is like waiting to be in shape before you start exercising. The truth is that investing is for everyone, and starting early, even with small amounts, is one of the safest ways to build wealth. Second myth: more risk means more return. While there is a relationship between risk and potential return, it doesn't mean you should put all your money into the latest investment fad hoping for a stroke of luck. Diversification is the key. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can manage risk and seek steady growth. And the third myth: you don't need an emergency fund if you invest well. Even the best investments can be volatile in the short term. An emergency fund gives you the peace of mind of knowing you can handle the unexpected without having to liquidate your investments at a bad time. Lastly, let's talk about a common mistake. Saving money is enough. Saving is essential, yes, but inflation can erode the value of those savings over time. Investing is what allows you not only to preserve, but to increase your purchasing power. Clearing these myths and understanding the reality will put you several steps ahead on your financial journey. And remember, knowledge is power, but only when applied. Are you ready to apply what you've learned and see how it can change your life? Here are some actions you can take from today to accelerate your journey to financial freedom. First, Review your finances and set up a budget if you don't have one yet. Use finance apps or simply a spreadsheet. Know where every penny goes. Second, automate your savings. Set up your bank account so that a part of your paycheck goes directly to your savings or investment account. This way, you won't have the temptation to spend what you should be saving. Third, enhance your skills. Invest in education, whether formal or through online platforms. Skills that increase your market value can translate into higher earnings. Fourth, if you have debts, devise a plan to pay them off. Consider methods like the snowball or avalanche method to get rid of them more quickly. Fifth, start a small passive income project. It can be as simple as selling products online or as complex as starting a blog or YouTube channel. Finally, surround yourself with a community that shares your financial goals. These can be online groups, investment clubs, or even friends with similar interests. These steps are just the beginning, but every great journey starts with a small step. So, what will yours be? And now, as we approach the end of this video, it's time to stop being a spectator and become an actor in your financial life. Take what you've learned here and put it into action. Don't let this be another video you watch and forget. Let it be the start of something new for you. If you found value in what you've seen, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any tips. And now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these strategies will you implement first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, change starts with a decision and is maintained with commitment. I look forward to seeing you reach all your financial goals. Until next time, keep building your freedom. See you in the next video.